defeating breast cancer. So October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I know that a lot of us here do the run every year because we know someone, we have family members, we want to support our survivors. And year after year, what you give to the Pink Run goes directly back to our patients.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Hellboy Fire Vlogger channel, and today we're celebrating naman Pink Run 2025, and we have Doc Andrea Torre here.
Good morning, and welcome to the Pink Run 2025.
Yeah.
Thank you, Gidjo, for being with us again. And we would like to thank everybody that is participating. The Pink Run is for breast cancer awareness, and the beneficiaries of our fun run is the Kadughan Foundation for Breast Care. So we give our funds to breast cancer patients. And not only breast cancer patients, if there is a need, we also help.
We're appealing pa kung pwede lang sa Kaway Labot sa next year. Kung pwede, tuloy-tuloy lang gyapo ng health.
So, I know that some of our runners, ang aton nga mga runners, na mga 15 na ka-fun run, 15 na ka-pink run ang napartisipahan. So, tani, padayon lang, kung basta nga may pink run, padayon. No?
Oh yeah, there you have it, Dr. Andrea Torre.
Thank
Doc.
you, Ged. Thank you, Ged. Oo, thank you.
Talay naman ta. Taga na rin. Ikaw mo na eh. Talay naman kami. Thank you, Ken.
Mayor Ray of Candoni.
Supporting the Pink Run 2025. So for the 1,700 participants, muna salamat, and I hope to see you next year. We will defeat breast cancer. Thank you.